Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering files and opening a blank workbook. This saves time. Once done, inspect one source sheet to confirm matching headers and formats so merges won't misalign. Make sure each sheet uses the same column order and date formats. Inconsistencies break formulas. Next, enable the Data tab and keep the folder window open. You'll use these prepared files immediately to pull or paste data without repeated searching, which speeds the entire process. You import the folder into Power Query to automate consolidation. This avoids manual copy-paste. Once the folder loads, click Combine and choose the correct worksheet sample so Power Query maps columns consistently. Then transform, remove unwanted columns, change data types, and trim whitespace. After cleaning, append the queries or use combine files to stack sheets into one table. Make sure to set the header promotion so the first row becomes headers. This prevents mixed data rows later. You finish by loading the cleaned query back into Excel as a table. This gives you a single sheet with all rows. Once loaded, use Refresh to pull updates whenever source files change, and consider creating a refresh button or scheduled task. If something goes wrong, check the error pane. Most failures stem from a changed header or data type mismatch in one source file. In that case, fix the offending sheet or adjust the query step to handle missing or renamed column.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.